Downtime? There's no such thing as downtime in New York City. Do you know how many people live here? And we all have somewhere we need to be. How does the city work to move us all safely to our destinations? 24 hours a day, 365 days a year.
In our constant rush, we don't think about slipping and falling, or a possible fire, or being exposed to chemicals. What have they been doing over a quarter century to help protect us from these dangers?
Welcome to New York City, Gotham, the Big Apple. 8.5 million people call this place home. Tens of millions more visit every single year.
From Staten Island to the Bronx, from Queens to Brooklyn to Manhattan and beyond, the 5 boroughs are always on the move.
The streets alone don't get us where we need to go. Thankfully, New York's people-moving backbone is the Metropolitan Transit Authority, one of the first and most elaborate public transportation systems on the planet.
Did you know that every single day, 6,600 New York City subway cars move 5.7 million riders?
Yes, 5.7 million riders across 850 miles of track every day.
Would I think to pay attention to what's beneath my feet? Why would a floor matter? For over 25 years, the MTA has depended on one ever-present foundation to provide added safety for every ride. It's the only flooring used in all of New York City subway cars. That amounts to 3.8 million square feet at work.
And for many of us, our journey doesn't end at the subway turnstile. Neither does this floors. Do you ride the Long Island Railroad? Take New Jersey Transit? Rely on Metro North? Look down and you'll find the same flooring on every train line servicing the New York metro area, Nora Premium Rubber.
How can one type of flooring be the answer to the critical challenges of America's busiest transit system, annually serving 1.75 billion riders? As you know, us New Yorkers bring the weather with us when we step on the train. Nora rubber flooring delivers necessary added slip resistance, so that passengers of every age and ability can proceed with confidence in every step.
Waterproof and built to withstand the harshest conditions, this floor is free of harmful toxins and contains a fire-retardant composition. So, in the unlikely case of a fire actually starting, the smoke will not release poisonous gases.
And let's face it, this isn't the cleanest place in the world. Things get dirty, but that doesn't mean they have to stay that way. This rubber floor is ready for whatever the city throws at it.
Nothing stains it.
All that mud and salt and snow and grime, it cleans up quickly with little more than water and a mop. No hazardous chemicals or coatings needed, ever. In the rare case of actual damage, spot repairs and surface restorations are easy, fast and painless.
Would you believe this floor has been proven to last up to 50 years? That level of ultra durability means most floors will never need to be replaced.
Unless that is the MTA decides to update their designs, which they do from time to time. Every rail line is a little different, with customized colors created for each one with the goal of complementing every individual space.
Welcome to New York.
The city that never sleeps needs a floor that never quits.
To keep us moving forward together.
If Nora Flooring can make it here, it can make it anywhere.